Once upon a time, in a cold, frosty town, there lived a unique snowman named Captain Cold. Unlike other snowmen, Captain Cold had a special ability to stay cool even on the warmest days. He was a cheerful snowman, always ready to help his friends. One sunny day, he noticed a group of flowers wilting under the scorching sun. "Oh dear," said Captain Cold, "I must help these poor flowers." With a wave of his carrot nose, he cooled the air around them, making them feel better instantly. The flowers thanked him with a burst of color, and the townspeople cheered for their friendly snowman. The next day, a baker's oven overheated, and the cookies were burning. Captain Cold rushed to the bakery, and with a gentle touch, he cooled the oven, saving the day. The baker was so grateful, he gave Captain Cold a big bag of cookies as a token of his appreciation. Captain Cold shared the cookies with everyone in town, spreading joy and happiness. One evening, as the sun set, the town was peaceful. Captain Cold stood tall, watching over his friends. "Good night, Captain Cold," the townspeople said, waving goodbye. "Good night," replied Captain Cold, his carrot nose glowing in the darkness. Every night, the town slept peacefully, knowing their friendly snowman was there to keep them cool. And so, Captain Cold continued to help his friends, always staying cool and always being kind. The end.